What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Stuff We Love. Today we're talking about knives. We got a bunch of blades here, and they're all from Olfa.
Olfa knives is what we're talking about. You know, the best, the leaders out there. These are made in Japan. They started in the 1950s.
Yep.
They're double honed, 25% sharper on the black blades. So these are then they're silver blades.
So we got two kinds of blades. We got these come with these black blades.
Yep. And then there's the silver you can get. Now they got the black blades. 25% sharper, which is really cool. So they got a 9, 18, and a 25 millimeter. This is more for arts and crafts and stuff, or to have around the house. You know what I mean? This is medium duty, so working in your garage, you could use it in the field, construction, whatever, cutting. And then you got the heavy duty one.
So we've got auto lock,
and ratchet
which
lock.
this is the auto lock blade, and then we've got ratchet locks, which is that. So what's the difference between?
So this is the auto lock. So when you click it in place, the blade's not going to move in there. It stays in there. Now this is the ratchet style. You move it, and then you move it to where it needs to go. Then you ratchet it, and you're still guaranteed for it to be locked. It's just you can't slide your finger on it. It is stay put.
Oh yeah, so if you need to know that blade is locked down, the ratchet lock is the way to go.
That is, yeah. They're both great. That's still locks, don't get me wrong. But the other thing that I really like is that on the 18 millimeter, you can get the metal heel. So for scraping, cutting open boxes where you don't need a razor blade to go through and damage it. There's open paint cans, put wall outlet covers on and off.
Right,
everything, pop covers off. That's what's really cool about that. So
what are these?
So these are two different styles. So this is the new...
Two different styles of what?
For the snap-off blades.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is that's a
this
container.
catches your snap-off.
Exactly. Right. No, it's not a chew can. It's a snap-off catch.
Okay. So you want to have a new blade or whatever, and you sort of stick it in this little slot here. Whatever, I'm going to try this. So I'll just take one off and then snap it off.
Shut the cover, sealed, recycle it. So that's one style that they have. This is the other style. So there is no door. You just press and pick up on the end of it. So you'd slide this out, you pick up on there, put your blade in there, snap it, done.
Cool.
And then it's got a screw if you want to open this up down the road and recycle, but I just recycle the whole thing and then close.
So now we have one more thing which we haven't talked about, which is not a utility knife.
Yeah.
And we have a piece of carpet here. I suspect that that's what we're going to be cutting.
Yeah. So this is a carpet cutter that's uber sharp, and you just...
Oh man.
It's like butter.
It's just like nothing.
Yeah. Plus, if you're going on carpet over the pad or on concrete, you're not dulling your blade. You know, those types of things. I mean, you can cut other things with it too, but there's just endless things you can do with these razor blades. So.
Awesome. So Olfa, yeah.
Yeah, Home Depot.
Great knives. Get them at Home Depot.
In stock.
In stock at Home Depot. Check them out at olfa.com. This is the Olfa X Design Utility Knife Series.
9, 18, 25. They start around $750, and for the 25, you're going to spend around $20.
Stay tuned for more Stuff We Love.